It's okay to be mad. It's okay to be sad. Don't let anybody take that away from you or make you feel like your feelings and emotions should be like belittled based on your age or how mature you are or your masculinity, gender, whatever the case may be. Like, it's okay to be mad or sad or just feeling down or you feel like the world's crumbling on you. Like, it's okay. I get it. This journey sometimes just kind of displays itself in just the light and never really shows us the dark. There's a lot of things that I go through on a weekly basis that I don't talk about, that I don't want to talk about, that kind of scare me just a little bit. It's a lot of shit that's either just black and white boring, but also just very just destructive. This is entrepreneurship. This is stuff that nobody wants to make videos about. Everyone just wants to show Lambos and boats and all this other bullshit. And it's like, there's a lot of clients that I bring a lot of massive value to. And obviously there's only so many clients that I can serve every single day. But at the end of the day, you got to be able to say to yourself, like, you tried your best. Like, you really fucking did. And no one's going to take that away from you. You know, like, usually I'm making videos where it's like nice lighting and shit like that. Like, I'm literally sitting in my bed here and it's 1 something in the morning, fucking tired. I just figured I'd really come on here and let you guys know, like, my eyes are halfway closing. Like, it's gonna be okay. You know, you've been through worse. If you're having trouble sleeping like I am, like, this is just how it is. I like to show you guys, like, basically every aspect of my life. I post a lot of cool pictures of me traveling. I post a lot of decent content. But this one's just more raw for me, means a lot to me because these are kind of like the same nights that I would have living back in New York at home, just like sitting in my bed, you know, thinking about shit, trying to be successful, trying to fucking find a way to do something. And it all worked out because I was willing to stick around. And right now, if you're taking a lot of hits, you're taking a lot of L's, it's okay. Because eventually, you know, if you take 2 L's, it will form a W. So remember that. Stop trying to over-critique yourself. Stop trying to make yourself seem like the victim. This is just life. Shit sometimes is not always sunshine and rainbows, okay? We need to start learning from our losses. And it's okay to lose. Even the greatest people and greatest minds of our time have lost, okay? Can't win them all. All right, guys, good night.